want to talk a little bit about the storage area network that was built for Brigham Young University, Hawaii. BYU-Hawaii has moved from a tape-based workflow to a more or less a tapeless based workflow. Most of the shoots were being captured live through Final Cut Pro instead of shooting the tape and then ingested later. And so a large, not large, but a fairly decent size and robust SAN was required. Also, as they were moving more from standard definition to high definition, the data rates and the file formats that they wanted to use were getting kind of hard and tricky to use on external hard drives just due to the transfer rates of FireWire and FireWire 800 not being fast enough to capture some of the better codecs of HD. And so we looked at getting a SAN, and we quickly realized through a bunch of research that we would like to stick with IBM-based storage, and so we did. And that we would use Quantum, StorNext as our metadata controllers. So we did that. It took a couple days of install, a couple of days of making things work. Well, once we made things work, we simply dumped all of our projects over from external hard drives and from other smaller RAID systems that we had, and that took about a weekend. We did the install kind of on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That way all of our editors can continue editing without any interruption. And when we finished with the install on Saturday, Sunday, we decided to dump all of the projects over. So when the editors showed up Monday morning, the only thing that was different was there's no external hard drives, and a new drive appeared on their desktop. So there was no downtime at all when we did kind of a drastic change, if you will, to switch from external hard drives to a SAN. The only big difference was they didn't have to worry about what file formats they use and didn't have to worry about running out of space. The SAN is big enough for our needs that it'll be quite a while. We can pretty much triple our workload, our current workload, before we'd have to worry. And even then, we can still expand and add more drives. So it's not like that we're going to be bogged down by storage anytime soon.